Good morning, everyone. How are you this beautiful Monday? I hope that the week has been going well for you and that you had some good kind of thoughts and ideas about gender in terms of like your own gender and maybe even why it is you do some of the things you do. Sometimes gender is one of those things that like we sort of take for granted, but we have no idea how gendered most things that we do are. It's a fun topic. I think it's a really fun topic. I teach a gender and society class, and so we've been spending the whole semester talking about this, and literally gender kind of intersects with everything else that we do, and it's just everything. It's how you talk, it's how you move, it's what you decide makes you you. You can't have your sense of self without a gender identity, and so it's a curious topic, and how the social construction of it ties into it is also very interesting. And I think at this point in our culture, talking about gender is something we should probably be doing more of. So hopefully that got you just a little bit interested in that topic, and maybe you'll take another gender class in your college career. Now we're moving into sexual orientation, which is not the same, right? They're two different topics, but they do kind of go well with each other. So sexual orientation is something that is how we feel, right? It's how we feel, how we identify our orientation, who we're attracted to, and you'll probably learn this throughout this section, but it's not necessarily fixed. Sometimes it changes, but it's not a choice. That's another thing to keep in mind. It's definitely not a choice. You don't get to pick who you like. You don't get to pick who you're attracted to. That's just kind of the way it works. I'm going to have you watch Intersection, which is in the module here, and that's an amazing film about intersexed persons. And so if you've never done any studying on intersexed or transsexual, transgender kind of issues, this is a great film because it kind of opens the door to what it means to be intersexed, and it also looks at it through a political lens in terms of like policy around babies born with ambiguous genitalia, and how forever doctors have just decided, oh, we're going to decide you're a girl or you're a boy, and how that's been problematic for many, many, many people. So I hope that this is intriguing, and I hope you learn a lot. And as with any other content on here, if there's people in your life that you think should see this, please, please, please share, because this is open source. I want everything that I put out there for you guys to be shared with as many people as you want. So, all right, that is my little talky talk for the day. I hope you have a great week. I look forward to reading your posts on gender, and then see how this week kind of sits with you. All right, take good care, everyone. Bye-bye.